If you are wondering if it is possible to install a GCam on Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. Usually on other Android smartphones, if we try to check if it is possible to install a GCam, we can use an app that is called the GCamator. I've been using this app on pretty much all smartphones that I had, on all Android smartphones that is, in order to check if there are compatible GCam versions. And in this case, as you can see, it says that the GCam for our Samsung is not available yet, but also we have this compatibility check, which clearly states that it is not possible to get GCam on our phone. This is, of course, a huge deal break probably for some people, and sometimes on other Android smartphones, we can do a little trick. We can download GCam made for other similar smartphones. So for example, smartphones made by the same brand, but a different model, an older one. And sometimes these different versions are somewhat compatible with these other smartphones. Sometimes you can use these other GCam versions without any major issues. Of course, sometimes you can see some inconsistencies or maybe some issues with the compatibility. In some cases, these the other GCam versions, they do not work at all. But in this case, if I try to search for Samsung versions of GCam, then as you can see, there's nothing in here. There's simply no way to find one. So it seems that it is not really possible to install a GCam on Samsung Galaxy A57. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.